Can an i3-2120 play game in 2018? Let's find out right after this. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to Tech Trends. Today we're gonna see if an Intel Core i3-2120 can play games in 2018. i3-2120 is a Sandy Bridge CPU. This CPU has 2 cores and 4 threads, and the base frequency is 3.3 GHz. I'm gonna pair a Gigabyte GTX 1050 G1 gaming with this CPU, and let's see how it performs.
It's running.
So all the games are benchmarked at 1080p max settings, and they are pretty much playable. So that's all for today. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you are new here. Have a great day and peace.